Shandong Keyuan Commercial Cold Chain Company Limited. Since the establishment in 2016, Keyuan has been focused on the research and development, production, sales, and service for commercial cold chain equipment. Keyuan takes chest freezers, upright freezers, and beverage coolers as core products and provide customized solutions and professional services for customers all over the world. Till now, we already export our products to more than 50 countries and regions from USA, EU, Australia, Asia, Middle East, and South America. Keyuan products include chest freezer with curved and flat glass lids, island freezer, and upright coolers and freezers, etc. More than 100 types of products. Most products approved by CE, CP, EER, and CCC certifications. Keyuan itself also passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System to meet requirements of different markets. Our technical team has rich experience in research, development, and innovation capabilities. Based on it, customers can be served by professional and differentiated customized products. The sales and service team have been deeply devoted for many years that they are able to fully understand and tap into customer needs, then respond to the market quickly. Equipped with a full automatic fluorine-free production line, industry-leading laboratory, advanced performance testing equipment, and humanized manufacturing system, Keyuan has been providing high-quality and superior performance products. With excellent product quality and good market reputation, Keyuan has become one of the prominent suppliers for ice cream, dairy, frozen food, cold drinks, supermarket chains, and convenience stores around the world. We would like to cooperate with all our customers to achieve win-win business.